Hi guys! Are you guys having fun today?
Yeah.
Ethan, aren't you here to practice soccer with Daddy?
Yeah, but I'm too tired to play that. I want Mommy to. Okay, getting push him now.
Bye.
Mommy, I saw like a flame.
Push!
I'm sorry. I slide like a bed. Mommy.
Good job, honey.
Like a...
Ethan, where are you? Can't see you.
Mommy.
Do you want to get off to play with your brother?
Yeah.
So yes, please.
Yes, please. No.
You got it? You can let go. Let go.
Ah!
Good job. That was a long fall. Are you scared?
No. My hands are getting hurt on
Let
those.
me see your hands. Your hands are okay. Dominic, are you going to go down the slide? This slide. Go wee! Oh, he's going to the big boys ones. Be careful on that, baby. It's bigger. You got it, Dom?
Yeah.
Oh, we scared some birds.
Hello.
You want to try everything your brother tries, don't you? Dom, look at me. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me. I didn't get it. I can't see your face.
Oh.
You got it? Are you going to need some help?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Put your foot right there and climb over. Oh, watch your head. There you go. Come on, let's go where Ethan's playing. Over there. Are you... There's Daddy all the way over there fetching his ball.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, handsome. That car is crazy. Honey, calm down.
Mommy, this is a baby car. Mommy, I want to go on this side.
Sure, baby. Ethan, come on. Let's go down this slide too, baby.
Yay!
Woo! Shake it off. Your turn, Ethan. Good job. Oh, wait.
What?
Nothing.
What? I'm going to climb up this side. Whoa. It's hard to climb up. Don't try that slide.
Why don't you go down the tunnel slide?
I did that.
You did that one?
Uh-huh.
Hold on, let me see.
Down the tunnel. Mommy, the tunnel slide again. The tunnel slide again.
That's okay. You don't have to, baby.
I want to.
You want to? Okay, let's see you do it. Where are you? Okay.